Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the maths class of Standard 3. Today, we are going to continue the chapter Shapes. Recap. In the last class, we learned to make tangram. This shows the tangram pieces, and these are the pictures we made using these tangram pieces. So, everyone, for your assignment also, make a tangram pieces, make a set of tangram pieces, and after that make the pictures like this and paste on your assignment book. Okay, children? Alright. Now we are moving to today's topic. Today's topic is three-dimensional figures or 3D figures or solid shapes. We know the solid shapes, isn't it? Which are they? Cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder and cone. Cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder and cone. Can you see one example for cube? Yes, dice or ice cubes. That are the examples for cube. Then cuboid, for the example for cuboid is, yes, bricks and boxes. Example for sphere is, yeah, the football, basketball, and then, yeah, the globe is also in the shape of sphere. And then cylinder, yes, the candle, battery and the gas cylinder, these all are in cylinder shape. And cone, the birthday hat and the ice cream cone, that all are in cone shape. Isn't it, children? So, these are the solid shapes or 3D shapes. Today we will learn more about these 3D shapes or solid shapes. Do you know why these shapes are called 3D shapes? Because these shapes has 3 dimensions, that are length, breadth and height. That is length, breadth and height. That's why these shapes are called 3-dimensional shapes. Okay, that's why these shapes are called 3-dimensional shapes. In short, we can write it as 3D shapes. Got it, children? Okay. And now everyone look at this picture. Here shown as a cube, and here we will find out vertices, edges, faces of a cube. Okay, vertices means where these two edges, that is AD and DC, where these two are joining at a point. Here the side DC and AD are joining at the point D, isn't it? So, this D is the vertex. Okay, that is the corner. All the corners are called the vertices. So, the plural of vertex is vertices. Okay, so here the vertices are A, then B, C, D and E is a vertex, F is a vertex and G is a vertex and H is another vertex. So, these all are the vertices of this cube. Now, edges means sides. Okay, AD is a side, then AB, BC, CD and AE, EF, FB, BC, CG, GF and EH, HD, HG. These all are the edges. Okay, children? And then the faces, that is this plain shape you can see here, isn't it? A, B, C, D, a square shape you can see here. So, this surface is called the face of this cube. This is called the face of this cube. So, this one has, this is a face and here it is a face, then above here is a face and below there is a face and on the back side also there is a face and this left side also there is a face. Okay, so these all are the faces. Okay, and all the faces are in square shape. All the faces are in square shapes. Okay, children? And solid shapes with all flat square faces are called cubes. Solid shapes with flat square faces are called cubes. Everyone study this. The fill up questions can ask like this. Okay, solid shape with all flat square faces are called dash. What is the answer? Cubes. Okay, so study this one. Now, my dear children, the next topic is drawing a cube. How to draw a cube. Okay, my dears. So, to do this, everyone follow my steps. First, you have to draw a square. Okay. So, first you draw a square. My dears, I am drawing on the screen. That's why it is going here and there. So, when you are drawing, use the scale and pencil and draw a square first. Okay. And after that, start from the middle. You draw another square like this. Okay. Like this. Got it? And in the third step, you join these vertex together. This vertex to this vertex to here, and this one to here, and this one here. Look children, we got a square. We got a cube. Got it? This is the way to draw a cube. Okay, if you have any doubt, you rewind it and watch it again and again. How I drawn this cube. Okay, first draw a square, then draw another square in the middle, then join the vertices. Then you will get the shape of square. Okay children, this is a very important work. Everyone practice it. Now, my dears, do you know which are the another solid shapes? Yeah, that is a few other such three-dimensional shapes are cuboids and cones. Here we are studying about cuboids and cones also. So, solid shape with flat rectangular faces are called cuboids. So, solid shapes with flat rectangular faces are called dash. What is? Cuboids. Then, a solid shape with circular base, then a vertex, a curved surface is called a dash. That is cone. Okay, my dear. So, by heart it. A solid shape with circular base, circle shaped base is having a cone having a circular base. Okay, and the vertex is here and then a curved surface. This is a cone. Got it? And now we will check how to draw a cuboid and how to draw a cone. Okay, so everyone look over here. To draw the cuboid, just like of the we drawn in cube, you can draw a rectangle here. Just before now we drawn one square because we are drawing the cube. Okay, but here we are drawing the rectangle to draw the cuboid. Okay, and we know a cuboid has rectangular faces. That's why. Okay, my dears, when you are drawing, please use the scale and pencil. Okay, and first you draw a rectangle, then from the middle you draw another rectangle, then join the vertices. Okay, like this. Now you got a cuboid. Got it children? Once again, first draw a rectangle, then draw another rectangle here and join the vertices. You will get a cuboid. Okay. Now, what about cone? First, you draw a triangle and then draw a circle just down here. Do you see? First, draw a triangle shape, not a full triangle. Only two slanting lines needed. Then draw the circle or circle shape you can draw here to show the cone. Okay children, like this. Okay, this is the way to draw a cone. So, everyone practice it. Okay dears. Now, my dear children, what we learned today? We learned about three-dimensional shapes and how to draw the three-dimensional shapes, isn't it? And we learned the vertices, edges and faces of a cube also. So, my dear children, everyone go through these very well and study it. Okay. So, I am giving some notebook work now. The first work is first you write a heading 3-dimensional figures or solid shapes. Then if you have the pictures, you can paste the picture of cube, cuboid, sphere and cylinder and cone here. Okay, under 3-dimensional figures or solid shapes you can paste this all. Otherwise you can draw. Okay. Then after that you draw this cube on one side and write this all. Okay. And after that you write this one in your notebook, and don't forget to write the dash, that is these questions can ask as a fill up question. So you can put the line under cuboids and cone. Okay. And then the last work is draw the shapes of cube, cuboid and cone in your notebook. Okay, draw the shapes. Just now we learned how to draw that, isn't it? So you can draw like that. Okay, my dears. So everyone do that all. And here is the homework. Drill time questions in textbook, page number 8. Answer in the textbook itself. And workbook questions in page number 5, and the practice questions in page number 6. Both you answer in the workbook itself. Okay. So everyone do the homeworks. My dears, I am winding up today. See you in the next class. Thank you.